Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Anxious Ninja. Let's begin. Anxious Ninja just needed to make over the hill to win. He ran and ran until he finished the first line first place. Positive Ninja came in second. You're going to crush it this weekend at Ninja Warrior Race. Great job! But the problem was when it came to practice, no one could touch Anxious Ninja. He was the best. But when it was time for the actual competition, his hands would get sweaty, his heart would race, and his mind kept thinking about the events he couldn't control. What if I lose? Will everyone think I'm a failure? His mind drifted to winning or losing. The performance would start to sink, and his anxiety would cause him to underperform. Gritty Ninja recognized the pattern. It's normal to feel an anxiety. We all do. When I was training for the Ninja Warrior triathlon, everyone expected me to win. And do you know what happened? Asked Gritty Ninja. I came in fourth place because I let anxiety affect my performance. Could I win? Would I win? I was thinking about things I couldn't control. But when I learned how to handle my anxiety, I performed better than ever before, said Gritty Ninja. How did you learn that? How did you learn to do that? I'll show you. When you get anxious, just remember the 3 R's method. Recognize when you are thinking about situations you can't control. Relax by taking a few slow, deep breaths. Refocus with positive mantras, like everything will be okay as long as I try my best. That weekend at the competition, Anxious Ninja lined up with the other runners. He had one goal in mind. His focus was at an all-time high, and when the gun blasted, signaling the start of the race, Anxious Ninja felt good. As the race went on, he had a clear lead, but then when only two turns at the race, his thoughts began to shift the line. My mom and dad were going to be so proud of me, but what if I lose? What will they say? Just then he could hear the other runners catching up to him, and just like that he lost his lead. He needed to remember what Gritty Ninja taught him, and fast. What was that his friend said? The 3 R's. Got it. Recognize, relax, refocus. He recognized and became aware of where his thoughts were. He relaxed by taking several deep breaths. Then he refocused his energies and what he could control his effort. Work hard. Work hard, he repeated to himself. Work hard. He sounded like a broken record, but this time his mantra, and before he knew it, he cleared the finish line with flying colors. And from that day on, Anxious Ninja still experienced anxiety, but the difference was now he knew how to control it instead of letting it control him. Remembering the 3 R's could be your secret weapon against anxiety. 3 R's: recognize, relax, refocus. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!